Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can create an interactive toggle button. Okay. So here I have a frame whose width is 160 and height is 62. Okay. So first of all, I'll make this rounded. Okay. I want the corner radius to be a little bit rounded, and then I'll draw a circle. Okay. Inside this, I'll draw a circle. I think, yeah, okay, yeah, this is fine. I think so. Okay, and here I'll add a light stroke. Okay, yeah, so here it is. Okay, so now this is the default one. When I'll try to, yeah. So this is the default state. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to just click on, just select all the things and click on the create component here. Okay, then I'll create another variant of this one. Now in the second variant, what I will do is like on click state. Okay, once this is clicked, so what the state will be like, you have to just do one thing, click on the circle, click on shift, okay, and then move it. So shift, why I have clicked on shift is to make sure that the this like stays in the single line. Okay, so that's why I use the shift key. Okay, other than that, you can do it any way you want, like you can simply just move it. But yeah, this is a way how I do, so that to make sure that the padding remains same, equal. Okay, the spacing and all remains same. So here now I'll do one thing. When clicked, the radio, but the circle inside this should be somewhat blue. Okay, and this should be, okay, that's it. I think so. Yeah, so this stroke, I don't think we need the stroke, uh, but anyway, I'll keep it. I'll not delete it. Okay, so I'll keep it. So now we have the two variant here. Like this is the main component, which is the default one. When once clicked, this should change to this one. Okay, so now how to change this? Okay, now go to the prototype section here. Just click on this prototype, and this, or maybe just if you click the whole thing, it should change to this one. Okay, like this. Okay, on clicked, and this can be smart animate. You have to make it smart animate. Okay, then again, when you click on this active one, once it is clicked at it, once it is clicked, once if you click on this, this should go back to this state, right? Okay, that is done. Now what we can do is just click alt on your keyboard, and then click and drag, that's it. How you copy, or simply you can you can just click on this one, control plus copy, and then control plus V, again it got pasted. So like this also you can do it. Now to check this, I have put this inside a frame. Now let's see how it is working, if it's working properly or not. Okay, can you see? Okay, So this is how easily I think I should change the background color here, or maybe the stroke I need to edit. So the moment you feel that okay, some changes are there, so try to change it in the component itself. So automatically it will be changing here. No need to do it in the instances we don't make the changes. We make the changes in the main component and the variants. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, the stroke is this one. Um, yeah, I think a little bit of dark I have added here, the stroke color. I think that should be okay. Okay, yeah. So now I feel that's visible. I guess that's because the frame is too big and the radio button is too small, so that's why I think that's not so much visible. But yeah, this is how it's working. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.